Day is such a beautiful day. Look what we got in. We got us some grips and we got us some levers. Looks so good. So I was thinking about painting this body color. I'm not really sure you're gonna be able to see through this. And also I wanna figure out how can I put some LEDs in here. That will be so awesome if I can figure out how to do that. But we're not gonna worry about putting those on today. I got also, how did I do? Y'all let me know down in the comment section. How did I do? I did this black and gold chain. I think this is gonna be a nice little look on the bike. I think it's gonna add a lot of detail with going on with the rest of the bike with all the yellow that I have going. I also gonna need to put my rear brake on. But other than that, the black and yellow with the chameleon looks amazing. And my favorite part, this is probably my favorite part out of the whole bike, the key. This key setup is awesome. I love it. Even though the body is not done yet, this part feels so good. So I just want to test and put this on. I should have put a string. I normally run a string down here to grab it. There we go. And now the second part is try not to scratch it. That's the worst part. All right. Yes, we got it. There we go. All right, there she go. The chain is on just temporarily. I haven't seated it yet, so I just left it just like that, but I just wanted to make sure that the length was right. And I just wanted to go ahead and just get it on just to check and make sure all my measurements was correct. But whew, once I get it clean and then re-greased, that's gonna be awesome to see that. That's gonna be a real nice touch if you can see it. I mean, I know I need to clean it, get all that grease in there and re-grease it, but that's gonna look good. So good against that carbon and with the added yellow in there. I think that's gonna give it a nice touch. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'm going to get this right here painted today. All it needs is just a little fine touch-up work for where the God coat had revealed where I got some little low areas. So I just gotta fill those little pinholes up and then we good. The paint booth is already in here, just need to be blowed up. But we're gonna paint this today. But however, right now, I just need to tear these apart because I'm gonna paint it. So that's what's the plan. I need to get this torn apart and get it prepped, ready to paint. Just taking that off. up. Wait a minute. Oh, you can see completely straight through it. Okay, so, man. Let's see, we might be able to do a light in there. Let's see. I had to figure out and see, but I don't know what one of these, fit in there. Oh, sucky now. Oh yes. So it hits the back of it. So we might be able to do something. I'm not gonna rule this out yet, but I had to come from here. I had to slide it in through here like that. I gotta figure this out. But that looks good. That's gonna be tough, especially when I paint it. Oh, that's gonna be tough. That's gonna look really good. I don't know. I think I could get a light in here. I think so. And what I would end up doing, I would drill out just a couple holes in it all the way around and let the light cast through it. I think that'd be dope. I think that'd be awesome. I don't know if you can see it, but down there in the back, probably about right here, this spot is solid. It's completely solid back about right here in this spot. Stay tuned. We're gonna try it. And here is my hand grip setup. So what I ended up doing is drilling out all of these holes. And I filled it up with epoxy. So inside here is epoxy with my LED light. I ran my wire out the back. So when I put my grip on, I lined up the holes. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but I'll show you. So I lined up the holes and drilled them out of the LED light. Let me show you. Let me show you what it looks like when it's on. It's actually pretty dope. There you go. Now you can get a better understanding of how everything is gonna look. Just gotta line those up. But that's it. That is it. We got the lights going, the light show. I made sure to put the LEDs top side. So this is the top side. It's gonna be the brightest side because really, I mean, it shows down here at the bottom, but not as much. But pretty much the top is where I wanted to get everything to show. So it looks really good with the color. That's gonna be awesome on the side of the bar. So that's cool. I'm pretty proud of it. I'm happy that it turned out the way that it did. Just like that, thank you for joining me on this video, and I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget. If you do, go back and just do it now. Thank you so much for all the love and support, and just like that, I am out of here. Peace.